Got the Drift Viper.
NFT.
Yes.
Subscribe to Lucci.
That's my boy, boys.
It's the truth.
Thank you, man.
Teller.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, my guys. Thank you.
Trust.
Yes,
Look at
sir.
Lucci.
Woohoo!
Look who it is.
Yeah. Mark Wahlberg. Yeah. We out here, boys and girls. Get you all the behind the scenes.
Thank you.
Smash that like and subscribe.
What's up, dog?
This is the guy that asked, what do you do for a living? Hey man, what do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
That's right. New Year. They're signing autographs. Oh yeah, that's it. Number one. Man, guys, it's like a car show out here. That's one badass Corvette, guys. Check that out. But wait, there's more. Whew. Crazy. Let's get back to the action. They got it going on right here, guys. Give you guys a little montage. All the carnage gear you need, guys. Of course. All the behind the scenes footage. Smash that like and subscribe. Hard at work. Get you guys that behind the scenes. Smash that like and subscribe. We out here. That's sick, guys. Oh yeah. Let's get back to the action, boys and girls. Sick ass build, guys. If you guys like the behind the scenes, like I said, smash the like, subscribe, helps your boy out. I'm at every event. Tons of behind the scenes footage. Being back there. Got my boy Mark in the scene. Wheel delivery.
This skinny dude is the Master Tech from Ferrari. And no, but out of all the leadership, Ferrari he was the top rank.
Getting ready for the next round.
I can steal Dave in a minute. I don't care about his time. Hey, Dave, can I steal you for a second? Absolutely. Yeah, photo off. Give me for a second. Go up. Go up and down.
DDE doing their due. Oh yeah.
Have an awesome weekend.
Damien.
My boy Dustin, hella busy over here. Smash that like if you guys like the footage. Packed out event, guys. Mine's a little bit smaller. Ah. All right, guys. If you're new to the channel, smash that like and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. It really helps your boy out. Go to all the events. And don't miss the other video I just shot yesterday. Crazy footage, part 1. This will be a part 2. Dean Carnage, DDE. And by the way, guys, oh yeah, always support your family, guys. Always. Anyways, guys, let's get you guys back to the footage. I appreciate all the new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Big giveaway for all you guys pretty soon. Sorry it's a little loud, but thank all you guys, man. Let's get back to the content. Let's go. That is sick, guys. Check it out. They did not cut no corners. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Wide body. Badass. They got the Mini. That's sick, guys. And its own little booth. you got the rail. Let's go. Day 2, guys. Let's get it.
Oh, okay.
Rockstar booth going down. Free Rockstars all day, guys. Get some good top footage for you guys. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Salucci!
Woohoo!
Look who it is.
What's up?
How's it going?
Good,
to
man.
see you
How you
again.
doing?
Can't complain.
Good.
What's your favorite?
All of them. Woo. Real car show out here, guys. Sick ass whips. Now that's a Tesla. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shout out to my son Andrew, he'll love this car right here. He's a big Lexus guy. He's got a nice one. But the lineup, guys, check it out. Oh yeah. That's right. I'm everywhere. Now, man, look at this. Man, nothing. Dave always working, guys. Always working. If you ain't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Daily Driven Exotics. You see what they're doing out here, guys. They are not messing around. There it is. Dean taking over this year, guys. 2022. Let's get it. Oh yeah.
Can I get a picture?
Selfie time, boy. Selfie time. Oh, Dave snuck in, guys. Yeah. You guys get all the behind the scenes footage right here.
They're all through the race team. Here's how it works.
A little sneak peek. Number 1 in the game. How you doing, buddy?
Thanks for coming out, man.
Oh man, thank you. Guys know- There's the nicest lady right there in all the booths. That's her. Yes. They wrecked out, guys. Wrecked out big time. Man. Everyone's out here, guys. Time to eat, boys and girls. They got the food here. Shit. The drinks.
Qualifying. Fifth gear. Goes for the flick, snap. Both sides.
I know, I was watching it too, and it looked like something happened. I was like,
Oh, yes it did.
and then he just stopped, and I was like, yeah, he's getting towed.
Yeah, the actual axle shafts are gone.
Wow. Look at that, guys.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But hey, don't worry, we'll have it fixed next season.
That's right. That's
Well,
right.
Sorry. We're having it fixed by last.
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
yes, yes. That's awesome. This isn't. Thanks for sharing. No, no problem.
Oh yeah, guys, look at this. One of the sickest cars here.
Happened, but it was
This car is badass. Whoa. They're gonna get it fixed and put back together and get it back on the road. Ready to drift again.
We're waiting on Brian to get back.
Thank you.
This is the one that crashed, guys, obviously.
Be prepared. Yeah. Like parts of ways, depending how far they're coming this way. So perfect.
And you can see quite a big crowd around his car. That's people watching to see what's going to happen. Giving praise and support. We're excited to see if he gets the car fixed. Is he planning
I was just there recording that, guys.
This is about. Let's go. And that.
Because there's not much, yeah, I'll just try to stay off of it.
I wish I had some extra stuff there for me.
Clean, guys. Shit. Scared the shit out of me. Yes.
Subscribe to Lucci.
That's my boy, boys.
It's the truth.
Thank you, man.
Truth teller.
Yes, sir.
Believe in Lucci.
Thank you, my guys. Thank you.
Lucci, trust.
Yes, sir. Wait. Have you got your merch yet? Have you got your merch yet?
that's up.
That's
We
my
had
boy.
it. We were gonna wear it today.
Hey, are you vlogging?
Yep. Jam-packed event, guys. Thank you. That's the skyline, guys. Clean. Hope you guys love the content, man. Thinking about doing a huge giveaway when I get to 100,000 subscribers, like a big giveaway, like maybe one of my cars that I don't really drive, maybe my SS Monte Carlo, maybe my Trans Am. I was thinking about the Hoovy Garage Nitrous Prius, but that might be at 1 million subscribers, maybe. But I do like that car, guys. I got some big plans coming up for that, by the way. But I do appreciate all you guys. Don't miss my other video, guys. And I got some cars and coffee coming up for you guys. Some more crazy behind the scenes footage. Stay tuned. Oh yeah. Check this out, guys. Oh yeah, but wait, there's more. Uh-oh. Aha. We out here, boys and girls. Get you all the behind the scenes.
Thank you.
Smash that like and subscribe. See who else is out here. It's packed out here, guys. And I'll show you guys some more good stuff, all right? Back to back. They got them, guys.
Subscribe to Lucci.
That's my boy, boys.
It's the truth.